Hello! Welcome to our channel, KSMM TV. I am Mommy Bell and
I'm Ahyan Ziyad.
yes, he's my son. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the word result. Okay. So, hello Ahyan. How are you today?
Fine.
You're fine. So, say hi first to our viewers.
Hi.
Hello. So, tell me something first about yourself. How old are you now?
8.
Huh?
8.
You're 8 years old. Okay. So, what is your favorite food?
I don't have a favorite food.
Oh, okay. Ahyan is 8 years old. So, now we are going to talk about word result. So, Ahyan, in the Google, we have searched in the Google. Can you tell me what we have found out? What is the meaning of result? Okay.
Anything that is
Okay. What? I cannot hear.
anything that is
Oh.
Huh?
Cause.
Or
Produce.
produced by something else, a consequence or outcome.
Every
Every
action you will do, there's a consequence. So, result is saying every a thing that is caused or produced by something else, a consequence or outcome. So, every action that you will do, there is a consequence. Means, everything that you are going to do, any actions you will do, what is it? There is a opposite or not opposite, there is a equivalent result for that one. Okay? So, for you, what is the result? Can you explain to me what is the meaning of result for you, and how do you understand it? What is your understanding for result?
Result is
Okay.
what is the result of
Oh.
anything. If there is a consequence or any other consequence.
There's a consequence or
Any other consequence.
any other consequence. And like what? For example, can you give some example? Result, about the result. Can you explain properly
Which
the result? What do you think about the result? What is result for
I
you?
don't think much of a result.
Oh, okay. So, I'm asking you, in your own understanding, what is the result for you?
I don't think
Say
result.
that properly. Huh?
I don't think much of result.
You don't think about the result for now, in your age? Oh, okay. So, okay. Next, my question. The result, how can you describe the word result?
Result, the finished thing which is a glob of glue you made before, so that's your result.
Again, can you say to our
That
viewers?
thing you made before, that glob of glue you made, so that's the result you made.
Grab of
Glob of glue.
glove of glue. What do you mean by that? Just say something about that. Oh, what is that? What is that?
Remember when you
Oh.
took something
Oh.
when you're baking, then after it turned like a glob of glue.
Glove of glue. So, then, explain more.
You know when we're baking panny, so then
Oh.
after it became sticky and
Mm-hmm.
and also what is this called?
Mm-hmm.
And a liquid, so it's like a glob of glue.
It's like a glove of glue. So, you mean that is the result. Means, for example, you are trying to do something like baking, we're doing. Then, what is the outcome of that? That is outcome, the result, right? That is what you're explaining. Huh? That is what you mean?
Which one? My
In
coffee
the-
pot, I mean?
No, no. They're looking. Okay, so you mean in the baking, that is what you are doing. That is the, for example,
Result!
the result. After you bake, and in the baking, after you make everything, then after that, that is the result, right? Yeah, that's what you're doing. And now, do you think that for example, in the school, okay, now you are grade 2. So in the school, there's like a homeworks, projects, and activities, right?
Okay, so
So, do you think that the word result is important in that mentioned task? Like in the homework and also the project and activities. Is it required for the result in those jobs that you're doing in the school? Huh? Do you need a result?
yes.
You need a result for homework and also project and also activities. Do you need result? Say yes. Yes. Okay. So if you need those things, so is it the result is important in the job that you are doing?
Huh?
Do you think that the result word, is it important?
It's important.
Huh?
The
Again?
result. Yes.
Final result. Okay, so if in school, okay, there's also in real life. Do you think in our real life, in the outside of your school, all the things that you are doing in your real life, is the result is important in everything what you're doing?
Not a bit.
Not everything. But is it important in your life?
I mean, kind of.
Huh?
I mean, kind of.
Kind of. Can you just, because they are... Okay, again? In the real life, outside of your school, do you think that the result is important of everything what you're doing outside of your school? Is it also required? Do you also need the result in anything that you will do outside of your school? So it means that inside of your school, you need result for everything that what they will do to you and ask you to do, right? And in outside of your school, after the school, you need also result. So result, is it important? Is it important? Okay, yes. So the result, there's like a positive result and also there's a negative result. Okay, what is positive result?
It's just possible.
Possible. Possible like, no, positive result. Positive result.
Yes.
What is your understanding?
Like, it's going to be possible.
Possible. No, not possible result. Positive. Positive result.
Negative and positive.
Yeah, positive means like
Electricity?
good result. Like positive. It's
Positive.
good result.
Not always positive.
Okay.
Not always positive.
Okay. So and then there's also negative result. So it can be, what is this one? In that can you Adam, can you Adam? Okay, so as what I've said to you, there's a positive and negative result, right? So positive means like there will be in the something that you are doing, there's a good result. It means positive result. Okay, and then there's another one is negative result. So, in this result, okay, in anything that you will do, sometimes if it's good or bad result, sometimes it's expected and unexpected result, right? So, what do you mean, what do you understand if, for example, expected?
Expected.
Oh.
Like when you know someone is there,
Oh.
you know he's there.
Expected. Unexpected.
Unexpected.
Oh.
You don't know when someone is there.
You don't know where if there's someone is there. Like you don't know that it's coming. Like that. So it's same in the result. Okay. If it's positive, it's possible that you expect that will be the result, or maybe unexpected it became a good result. Means it happened good, but you don't know that it will happen like that. Okay, so same in the negative. It will be also expected and unexpected. Okay. So, but you know, if it's a negative result, there will be like it will be there's two reasons why it's became negative, the result. Okay, no, we're about to finish now. Okay, in the result, if it's negative, what do you think? Why the result is becoming negative?
Because when you think it's positive, but it's actually negative.
No, what do you think is the reason why that the things that you are doing is having a negative result? Like negative.
I don't know.
What is the reason why it's having negative result?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, so sometimes it became negative because maybe the reasons like that situation or that thing is unsolvable, means it's not possible to solve at all, or maybe it's possible, it's better you have tried it, like you have tried it many times to find the solution for that one, but still it's unsolvable. What is unsolvable?
And you cannot solve it.
You cannot solve it. So this is also the reason why the result is negative. And if it's failed result, what is failed?
When
Sit down, Fatima.
when you fail
Mm.
the result, wait, how am I going to explain it? Like when you did not, like when you did not do something correctly.
So you have tried, but you have worked it, but you don't do it properly, right? So that's the failed result.
Yes.
Maybe. Okay, maybe, right? So that's what you're thinking. So in negative, unsolvable, or maybe failed. Okay, so that's why it's coming negative result. Negative result. Okay, so okay, if there's a negative result, okay, what is the thing that do you think that you have to give up if you have a failed negative result?
No.
No? Okay. And what is in your mind? Why you should not give up?
I don't know. I just don't. Don't give up.
We should, for example, there's a negative result. For example, there's a negative things that happen. And then, or maybe the result. And then, you mean we have to give up and then just forget everything like that one? or what we should do? We should analyze it. Huh? You focus. If you said that if there's a negative result, you said that we should not give up, right? We should not give up. So what is the reason that why you should not give up?
Just don't give up.
Just
Then
don't.
after it will become.
Yes, correct. Okay, because you know the reason that the things that failing is because sometimes, most of the times, we are the one that giving up. Like we don't want to fight anymore. So that's why those things are failing. But as what I know, if you still keep on trying to make it work, that's not it. That's not yet a failure. You will fail, you will have mistakes, but still you're trying and you still have a chance to make it work. And in the future, somehow it will be a positive result. Okay? And and also, the days are not always the same. Okay, so you should always also hope for the positive result. Okay, and our tips for the
Wait, I'll be back.
Wait,
I'll be back.
wait. Our tips for the result.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Adam, can you pause? Hello. Okay, so ayan. For positive result, can you give us any tips? So in your ways, so we can have a positive result.
Prepare.
Okay, we can prepare. Okay, maybe. Then we can organize. And then we can maybe develop the things so we can have a positive result. In prepare, maybe what is your understanding of prepare?
Just prepare.
Oh, like what? What is prepare for you?
Prepare the speak.
Like that, we have to prepare the things in advance. You mean in advance? Do we need to plan if we are preparing something? Do we need to plan? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have to plan. So we have to prepare. So we will have a positive result. And organize. Organize for you. What is organize?
Organizing. What already you said here? Organize here.
Like this. You have to organize like that. Like this, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if we organize, is it helpful to have a positive result? Huh? Yes. So organize means it will clear your mind and it will help for you to think properly. So you will have a positive thinking and positive result in whatever that we're doing in that time. Okay. So what about the develop? You have to develop the things.
Develop you're the one who is the maker.
What is develop for you?
Just develop.
What is your understanding?
Making.
Making.
You're the one who's making.
You're the one making. So it means, for example, this is speaker. This is speaker, right?
No.
For example, this is already a good speaker.
Yeah.
So do we need to develop this? So we make it more advanced?
Wait, no.
Huh? Can we make it more advanced?
Yeah.
Much more advanced?
Yes.
Okay, like what? How we can make it more advanced?
Music.
More music and... No, I mean the physical, means the body of that item. How we can
more
develop?
speakers.
More speakers and... Can we make it more like... this one is a ordinary speaker, right?
Yes.
But there is a like... what is that one? The voice command, with voice command. So, if you put the voice command, is it the way of developing? Is developing? So, that is developed. So, you are having also positive result. Okay. And okay, so for our viewers, thank you for joining with us here in our small channel. Okay, so please for our viewers pala, okay, please share us your own tricks and tips how you can manage the things to have a positive result. Please share with us and comment down below how we can how you are managing those things and what is your tricks. So to for that what are the tricks that we're doing to have a positive results. Please comment down below and Ahyen, say bye-bye to our viewers and say thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
See
thank
you
you.
next time. Okay?